I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Bid Form as a trigger. Select a form. Next, search and select FluentCRM for action. Click Connect to FluentCRM for authorization. Authorization is successfully done. Click Next. Here select the action as you want. Choose the tag and which tags you want to associate with the user. Map the email field and click Next. Now save the integrations. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Go to FluentCRM and check the tag is associated with list contact or not. You see the tag is associated with a list of contact. Thanks for watching.